we're going to rotate triangle ABC 90 degrees counterclockwise, so anti-clockwise, which means we're going this way, about the point of origin. Now the point of origin is 0, 0. Those are the coordinates of the point of origin, and that's here. So we're going to rotate ABC around this point 90 degrees counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. Okay, so first step, use our tracing paper. And what I like to do with the tracing paper is to draw a set of axes on the tracing paper, because I find that really helps with the rotation and to make it as accurate as I possibly can. So draw that on there. Okay, so take my time, do a nice set of axes, put them on. Okay, so I can put this point here, match it with 0, 0 on the original axes. Okay, and now just plot the points. So this is B, this here is A, and down here we have C. Okay, now I'm going to go counterclockwise, anti-clockwise, which is that way. So I'm going to be turning this way, and I need to go 90 degrees. So I'm just going to use this axis here. When this axis turns that way and gets to this point, I know that I've gone 90 degrees. Okay, so let's do that. So basically, it's going to turn this way and stop, because now that's aligned and I've gone 90 degrees. So I just need to align the axis on, or the axes, sorry, on my tracing paper with the axes underneath. And now I can see that point A is shifted to here, point B is shifted to here, and point C is shifted to here. And while I can just do this scenario, I can see it's here, lift up the tracing paper, carefully, it's here, here. Okay, I can do that. But what I like to do, what I prefer to do, is to give the coordinates of the images of the original points. So this is an A or B and C. This is going to be A dash, B dash, C dash. And I'm going to give the coordinates of each of these points. So A is 1, negative 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, negative 3. B here is 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 1. And C over here is 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1. Like that. And now, don't need that anymore. All I need to do is refer to my coordinates. So A dash, so the image of A, is 1, negative 3. So 1, negative 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is A dash, yep, right here where point B was. So it's a little bit awkward. B dash is 3, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 1. So this is going to be B dash. And C dash is 4, negative 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1. This is going to be C dash here. So now that I've got all the images of the original points, I can just join them up. So I'm drawing not triangle ABC, because that's the original triangle. I am drawing triangle A dash, B dash, C dash. And that's where it is. After rotating around, okay, so counterclockwise, 90 degrees, the image of triangle ABC is here. Just label these correctly. So this is going to be point A dash, this is point C dash, this is point B dash, and job done. Finished.